What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to review the WHOP and a member's portfolio. He has sent me his portfolio to review. Let's check it out, see what you think. When you join my WHOP, what you can see is you get to directly chat with me. You get beginners courses, portfolio guidelines, my YouTube portfolio on display with buys and sells each week, stocks watch list, and my announcements. Come check me out on the WHOP. I'll leave the link at the description below. Members portfolio on my WHOP. He decided to display this for me so I can show on the YouTube channel. His focus so far was having a 50% allocation to the S&P 500, which is SPLG. That's an ETF that holds it. He's got nice $2,700 in here. He's already up almost 10%, just dollar cost averaging every week. He also wanted more big tech, so we added FSPGX. He's got a 13.5% allocation to it. So far, it's pretty much flat on the year so far. He is 1.35% up on that, continuing to build this position at $778. And he also wanted more tech, but he wanted to be a lower percentage, which is 6.85%, which is up 6% right now. So it just shows you right here, looking at FSPGX, which is more 60% big tech, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, etc., is not performing as well as just the overall tech companies such as F-Tech. Now, he's very big into Uber. He really trusts Uber long term. He's got 9% portfolio allocation. We discussed this. I tried to talk him into like a 5 to 7% allocation, but he wants to have a 10% allocation to his Uber fund. So he is comfortable with this. $450 in, $66 cost basis. He's already up 20%. So look at that. He's proving me wrong right here, making excellent gains with an individual stock. Good for him. Next, he added some Chipotle at $57. This used to have highs around like $60+. So it's been proven so far to be a decent buy. So we'll see how that plays out. He's got 5 shares. Next, he has Serve. This took a monster hit. It's now $13. But what he's doing in his portfolio, which is very good, is Serve is only 1.89% of his portfolio. So even though it pulled back 20%, it doesn't hit him that bad because it's only $139 invested. So this is great asset management with the individual stock. Where it's something more risky, he's going with the smaller percentage so it doesn't hurt him as much. Overall, the portfolio is up 7.57%, $358. So overall, I like where he's going. I think he needs to keep improving the S&P 500 fund, build out this FSPGX and F-Tech, get them much bigger, much larger, and we'll see on the next update when he gets this up to $10,000. We'll see what his asset allocation looks like. What makes my WHOP stand out is there's an education tab, investing for beginners, where I have 17 chapters and I continue to add. You could just look at the reviews on my WHOP. We have chapter 1 through 17, just reviewing different index funds, ETFs, going through different types of investment accounts, understanding order types, the psychology of investing, options trading, technical analysis of RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, scalp trading, effective savings techniques, long-term investing, dividend ETFs, growth fund ETFs, small caps, how to invest your first $10,000, and much more. And Fidelity Active Trader Pro, what I use to day trade. There's so much on here. Definitely check it out on the WHOP. All right, so this is my YouTube channel, Trading Simplified. If you want to get access to the WHOP, here's the link right below. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I pretend to be. With that being said, my intent is to post my experience trading and create a community where we can all learn and become profitable in the future. So if you're interested, definitely check that out. Also, check out my playlist here. I have my Trading P&L 2025, where I'm up $12,000 on the year so far. My Trading P&L 2024, go through these videos if you want to see it for yourself. I was up over $80,000 in gains. I have my members only playlist for YouTube that subscribe. Appreciate you guys with that. And crypto trading on Gemini, mastering Fidelity Index Funds ETFs, Vanguard, day trading on Fidelity, and then the current market events and analysis. There's a lot here. This is all free on YouTube. Come check it out. I'll see you next video.